This secret niche is exploding right now, and surprisingly, almost nobody is talking about it. In this video, I'm going to reveal the niche and also teach you exactly how to create these types of videos step by step. First, take a look at this channel. It has around 37,000 followers, and they have posted about 113 videos so far. If you check their views, they are getting massive engagement. Many of their videos are reaching millions of views. That clearly shows how powerful this niche is right now. So in this video, I'm going to teach you exactly how to create the same type of videos using AI tools. First, open the prompt document that I provided. Inside that document, you will see multiple prompts. Start by copying prompt 1 from the document. Once you copy it, paste it into ChatGPT. Now you need to customize a few things in the prompt. For example, you can change the climate and the container color. In this example, I am changing the climate to sunny daytime, and I am changing the container color to green. After editing those details, click Enter and wait for ChatGPT to generate the prompt. Once the prompt is fully generated, go back to the document and copy prompt 2 completely. Now paste prompt 2 into ChatGPT again. This time, you need to mention that the climate and the container color should remain the same as the ones used in the previous prompt. Next, you can add any car or object you want inside the prompt. For example, in this case, I will use a Rolls-Royce Phantom in black color. So I simply change the car name in the prompt to Rolls-Royce Phantom with black color and click Enter. ChatGPT will now generate the second prompt for us. Once both prompts are ready, we will move on to the video generation part. For this, we are going to use a free AI tool that is currently very popular. The tool is called Flow AI, which is a Google video and image generation software. First, open Flow AI and create a new project. Then follow the steps exactly as I'm doing. Click on Video. Then select Ingredients. After that, change the format to Portrait. Next, choose VO 3.1 Fast as the model and select One Generation. Now paste the first prompt into the prompt box and click Generate. The video will start generating and you just need to wait a few seconds. Once the generation is complete, you can preview the video. As you can see, the video looks really good. Now we will move on to generating the second video. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the second prompt and paste it inside Flow AI. Before generating, make sure the video looks realistic. If it doesn't look realistic, you can simply regenerate it again until you get a better result. Now click Generate and wait until the second video is completed. And here we go. The second video is ready and it also looks great. However, there is one limitation with Flow AI. If you are using the free version, you can only download the video in 720p resolution. If you want higher quality or access to Google AI Ultra at a lower cost, you can contact me through Telegram. We provide access to those accounts. Now let's move on to editing. I am importing both generated videos into CapCut, but you can use any editing software you prefer. Once the videos are imported, trim the unnecessary or extra parts from the clips. After trimming, the final video length will be around 10 seconds. For this type of content, 10 seconds is more than enough. Next, you can add background music. Choose something that fits the vibe of the video. After that, you can enhance the video by adding extra layers, transitions, and effects. Using more effects and visual layers will make the video more engaging and help increase viewer retention on your channel. Once everything is edited, you will have the final result ready. I will now show the final result after completing the editing process. And that's how you can create these viral niche videos using AI tools. If you enjoyed this type of content and want to learn more viral niche ideas like this, make sure to follow and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any upcoming videos.